Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ZRX. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that ZRX first broke out a quite long-term down channel, and after that it also broke out another falling wedge pattern, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $1.45 that has been previously breaking as a resistance here and support here. Now again, it worked as a strong resistance, and the price and is retesting the previous resistance of this ascending triangle as a support. And here we also found another uptrend line resistance as well. And this is the formation of another ascending triangle. You can see whenever the price end is getting bounced from the support, it is forming higher highs. This time, by the way, the price end could not hit the resistance but form another higher high. And this time you can see that once again, the price end formed another higher high, but could not break out this uptrend line resistance and got rejected and dropped down here at the support of this previous, that is in fact the previous resistance of this ascending triangle. And we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a quite big trade setup, a quite long-term trade setup that I shared in the month of June 2022 with my members, and that was formed on a monthly time frame chart. And I shared that move of ZRX with my members, and that move has so far produced almost 400% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my long-term trade signal for ZRX that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. And by the way, this is the most recent one that I shared on 5th of October 2023. And this move was produced almost 157%. You can see this was a cipher pattern, and the price started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 157% pump. But the move that I want to show you is this one. This was a quite big and massive trade setup that ZRX formed with US dollar pair on the monthly time frame chart. And you can see when I shared this trade setup, at that time it was moving at 28 cents. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and hit the sell target zone here, approximately up to $1.44. And this was more than 400% very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of ZRX. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that previously it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And here in the month of November 2023, we broke it out. By the way, from this low to here, you can see that ZRX rallied more than 873%, but could not break out this uptrend line resistance that is coming all the way from here, from the month of November 2022. You can see we got stable ejections here, and it has also formed a broadening rising wedge pattern as well. You can see whenever it is getting bounced in the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, it is forming higher highs, and this time it has formed another higher than previous high, but could not break out this uptrend line resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern. But I don't think so that it is going down to hit the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. At this time, you can see that it is testing the previous resistance of the ascending triangle as a support. In case if it breaks it down, then it can drop down to test this support. That is also the support of this the previous ascending triangle as well, and also the support of this big broadening rising wedge pattern. Right now, you can see that the price is trying to break out this red line. That is the EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21, that was previously breaking as a support here. And before that, it had been breaking as a resistance here. And here, for several months, it had been breaking as a very long-term resistance. And now we need to break it out because, again, it is breaking as a very strong resistance for the past few weeks. And once the price will be able to break out, then imminently it can move up to the next long-term resistance that we have here at 70 cents that had been previously working as a support here. And before that, this 70 cents has been working as a resistance here as well. And now if we take a look at the targets, then we have already achieved the target for the breakout from this ascending triangle. And that target was, by the way, here. That was approximately at $1.14, and you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target up to $1.44. And now if we take a look at the final target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, big down channel, that is here at the top of the channel, that can be between $2.50 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.